Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can edit camera modes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. I opened camera first and by default these are all the modes they are showing here. Portrait, photo, then video. These three are showing here, and if you want to add more options, just click on more button here and you will see other options: pro, panorama, food and macro. If you click on this plus symbol and you can add this, you can draw and drop, pick up and drop these items to the main menu. Touch and hold to move the modes to or from the bottom of the screen. Touch and hold and drag. Yes, now I have moved pro from pro from here to bottom of the screen. You can also move from bottom of the screen to the top of the screen. So from and there you can move. That is what here written. Touch and hold to move the modes to or from the bottom of the screen. So in this way you can easily edit camera modes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. Finally click on save and they will be saved, and you can see much better camera modes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.